Are you suffering from low back pain with one-side hip pain while you're sleeping, jumping, running, or any activities and you need a gentle release? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use a foam roller and elastic band to strengthen your hip muscles, your core safely and effectively. If you're new to my channel is about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health and wellness, and I'm going to close my back masterclass tonight. If you haven't registered, click the description below, be part of my class because it's going to run for the next 8 weeks with my Zoom calls. And if you need my help and guidance, then don't miss out for 2024 to finally regain your life without back pain, to have a stronger core and improve overall posture. So let's begin the program now. I'm going to start warming up by placing the elastic band around your thighs. Place the foam roller on your side. We're going to use it as our cool down exercises today. We're going to start proper breath work, which is very important because this is the powerhouse of our body. As you inhale, you want to increase the ribcage flare to the side and then give that space to your pelvic floor as you inhale with a little bit belly rise, keeping your spine in neutral position, which means when I place my hand at the small of my back, I'm not overarching, I'm not pressing my hand, I'm just slightly placing it there without any pressure. As I exhale, zip it up, which means from your lower abs, you're pulling your navel towards your spine, not from upper ribs going down to your navel, but from your lower abdominal muscles going up to your navel. As you exhale, inhale through your nose, expand your rib cage to the side, not chest up, but to the side. And then with that side movement, your belly will start pushing out your organs up, giving space for your diaphragm to lower. And then as you zip it up, you engage your deeper core, your TVA muscles as you exhale. And breathing out slowly through your mouth. Last deep breath in and exhale. Well done. Now we're going to start warming up your hips by slowly lowering one knee at the side with the elastic band as an extra challenge. As you inhale and then exhale, zip it up without twisting your spine, which means I'd rather have the knee a little bit elevated out to the side than all the way down and you're twisting your spine. And exhale. And then inhale, back center. You're going to squeeze your knees tight together to engage your deeper core muscles. As you inhale and then exhale, switch to the other side and breathe out. 4 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Alternating left and right. 3 more. 3 more deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Last set. Inhale, exhale to the side. Well done. The next exercise is tabletop. Tabletop is a good way to engage your hip flexors as you lift your knee to 90-degree bend, toes pointing away, knee bent, not too close or not too far, just enough with your knee level to your hip as you exhale. And then inhale, tap down, and then switch to the other side. Exhale as you lift, squeeze, zip it up. Inhale as you go down. So before you lift, you breathe in first. Exhale, lift. And then switch to the other side. And we have 4 more to go. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift. Three more. Two more. Last set. Well done. The next exercise is butterfly. Butterfly is a good stretch to open up your hip groin as you open your knees out to the side and then you squeeze your core in. Once you reach that opening, and then inhale, back center, squeezing your knees tight together, belly rise, ribcage flare to the side. Exhale, zip it up and open your knees out. Inhale, back center, squeeze your knees. Exhale, open. 3 more. Really feeling that breathing out. 2 more. Inhale, squeeze your knees. Engage your core. Exhale as you breathe out. Last set. And exhale. Well done. We are progressing by doing a tabletop with hip abduction once you reach the 90 degree, which means as you lift your knee up to 90 to tabletop, this is like a table. The top leg is the table, and this is the leg of the table, 90 degree bent as you exhale, and then inhale, belly rise, rib cage open, exhale, open to the side. Inhale, back center again, and then slow and steady lower your foot down. Try not to plop your foot down as you exhale, and then you switch to the other side. Bend your knee to 90 degrees, open to the side, inhale, exhale, back center, all the way to starting position. We have 4 more. Breathe in first, exhale as you lift, inhale, exhale to the side, breathe in, breathe out. Switch again to the right, center, and down. 3 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Last set, my friends. And last set to the other side. Well done. Now we are progressing by strengthening your deep core muscle by doing leg circles with your knee lock. Extended toes pointing to the heavens. If you can't lock your knee, if you're slightly bent, that's fine. And if you can't lift it higher and it's a little bit lower, that's also fine. Try your best to lock your knee, keeping the other knee bent to protect your back, pushing your foot down, and do a small circle like the size of a small dish. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. And then reverse circles. Try not to rock your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then we switch to the other side. Keep the other knee bent to protect your back. Extend your other leg. And inhale, exhale. Make a small circle, pointing to the heavens. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then reverse circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And down. Well done. And after activating those muscles, now we're going to use the foam roller, placing it not on your lumbar spine or not on your back. Make sure it's on your sacrum, on your pelvis. If you have SI joint dysfunction, be careful. This is like a deep myofascial release to help lengthen, stretch those tightness. So you want to make sure you learn how to connect with your foam roller. You can hold on to this first for those with really weak core, but for those who are a little bit able to stabilize, you can let go. So you can place it on top of your hands on the foam roller, or keep it on your core, on your abdominal muscles, so you can feel your breathing. Now we're going to start with simple engaging with inhale, exhale, zip it up. We're going to slowly lift your heels up and then down. Lift up and down with your breathing, squeezing your core in. Now it's easier with the foam roller. Now it's easier to zip it up because now you're elevated. It's easier to connect now to your lower abdominal muscles. 5 more. 2 and 1. Now we could challenge now by doing some hip opening. I'm slowly opening one knee to the side, keeping the other knee really Keep it stable without leaning towards the left as I open my left knee out to the side. And then back center and then switch. 4 more. Don't forget your breathing and squeezing your core in. 3 more. 2 more. Side to side hip opening. It feels different with the foam roller. Last set. And now, my friends, we are opening both of our knees out to the side. You can place your feet together to a frog stretch or butterfly stretch. Feel that deep hip opening of your hip groin muscles as you open your knees out to the side, and then back center, squeeze your knees tight together. Inhale, exhale, open, zip it up. Inhale again, and then zip it up as you place your knees back to the center. 4 more. Inhale, exhale, open. Inhale again, exhale, back center. 3 more. 2 more. Last set. Well done. Now we are going to do some gentle tabletop. Hold on to the foam roller for those who can't stabilize yet. As you lift your knee up to tabletop, which means 90-degree bend from your hip, your knees level to your hip. Inhale. Exhale, zip it up as you slowly lower your foot down, alternating left and right. 4 more to go. Breathe in, breathe out. Feels so good on your hips. Squeeze, zip it up. 3 more. 2 more. Last set. Well done. Slowly roll off to the foam roller. We're going to slowly kneel position, and we're going to cool down now with some lovely foam rolling child pose with your knees bent, knees out to the side like a frog stretch. Place your hands on the foam roller, slowly roll down and stretch your upper back. Resting your elbows on the foam roller, and exhale, resting your forehead to rest, and really let go and stretch your upper back and thoracic spine and breathe out. Inhale as you roll up, and then exhale, roll down. Hold it. Deep breath in, inhale, and exhale, roll down. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my lovely foam rolling and deep core activation utilizing an elastic band. If you want to learn more about my back masterclass and you want to join, it's still open. I'm going to close it tonight. You want to make sure you sign up down below and be part of my January class, as I'm going to close this and won't be reopening until spring 2024. If you want to learn more about core back immersion, I have free 6-part video series you can check out right now. Click this link and sign up with your name and email address for the early bird waitlist, and I'll send it directly to your inbox on how to access my free videos. I'll see you in my next video training. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!